Kosher kitchens are an important part of Judaism tradition. And even if you're not familiar with Jewish practices, understanding the essence of a kosher kitchen can be enlightening. Some of the key elements include following dietary laws known as kashrut, adhering to Jewish dietary laws which only allow products from specific kinds of animals slaughtered in a specific way, and separating meat and dairy. Jewish households that observe kosher laws maintain separate utensils, appliances, and cooking spaces for meat and dairy, ensuring they never come into contact. The importance of kosher kitchens is underscored by various Jewish sects, like Orthodox Jews, who adhere to these practices year-round. Special attention is given to the preparations for Passover, during which extensive cleaning and purification rituals ensure the kitchen is fit for observing the holiday's dietary requirements.